Hey crafty friends, happy Friday. I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today I'm going to share a new printable project with you. It is my Pineapple Paradise Whips gift card holders. These are a fun printable that you can create and put a gift card in for any occasion. Actually, you could do it for a birthday, a wedding, an anniversary, Mother's Day, or just because you want to give somebody a gift card. So let's get started and I will show you how to put these together. Okay, we're going to start with this piece and we're going to fold it on the fold lines. And if you have like a bone tool or something, you can crease some with that. I left mine inside because I'm outside. As you can hear, traffic in front of me. We kind of live near a state highway, so you hear a lot of traffic. So I'm just going to put some double-sided craft tape on these tabs. And then I'm going to peel the covering of the double-sided tape off. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to line it up with the bottom and then just lay it down. That way it'll adhere. Since it's a little windy out here, I'm putting things under, like scissors and stuff. Okay, so we're going to take these two pieces and we're going to put some double-sided tape on here. And I'm just going to line this up and press down. Next, I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put glue on this top piece. And I'm going to take this piece that matches, just it's backwards. And it really doesn't matter which side you do first, because you're going to eventually line these all up. So there is that. Make sure, yeah, didn't do too bad in lining it up. Now I'm going to put glue on the bottom half of this. And I'm going to glue this piece on and press down. Now this piece here, you can write like a note or whatever for whoever you're giving your gift card to, and a gift card will fit in this little pocket with this piece, because I actually made one for the last set of these I did, just to see if it would fit, because I honestly don't have any gift cards. So next I'm going to take my Tombow glue and I'm going to glue these pieces on that have the name of the drink. This is the Tropical Mint Green. And we're just going to put some glue along the edge. And glue it on. I'm going to do the same on this side. And basically you put all of these together the same way. You just match the colors. And then I actually have some a tag and a couple ephemera pieces to go in this. So I have this tag and it just goes down in. And then I have the little drinks. And then I just have a piece of ephemera. You can ink any of this if you have ink pads. I don't have a lot of ink pads yet. I'm still working on getting some, but of the different colors. But if you have the ink, you can go around and ink these to get rid of some of the white and all. I may do that later if I have colors to match. But there is your tropical green, and then we have our cotton candy pink and our ocean blue, and then we have our Tangerine Dreamsicle. Brett actually came up with that name. And then sunshine yellow and rainbow pineapple paradise whip, which I think is very pretty. So I hope you have fun making these. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your own Pineapple Paradise Whips gift card holders. There is a link in the video description below that tells you how you can download these gift card holders and make your own. There's also a supply list as to what I used in making these. Like I said in a video, you could take the tags and put holes in them and put everything grouped together and tie them and all. I did not do that, but that is something you can do. So I hope you enjoy making these, and I look forward to crafting with you again. Happy crafting!